Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 10th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, we've been looking for shorts on the US dollar Swiss. Yesterday I was talking about how it possibly could break up. And if it did break up, I would be more than happy to start looking for longs. Price definitely still has not been able to break up, so I'm definitely still looking for shorts. Back down on the 1 hour time frame, you put your Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down. You look for one, two, three waves up. You look for Fibonacci bounces, and you look for entries to go short because of the higher roadmap timeframes. Now, it still applies. If the daily time frame market flow turns up, I'll be more than happy to start looking for logs. But because it hasn't, I will definitely continue to look for these three-way pullbacks to go short, potentially for the continuation of the higher time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.